This is the Joyor S10-SZ, a dual-motor e-scooter built for power and performance. Before we take it out for a full test ride, let's unbox it and take a closer look. Now, the assembly was pretty simple, literally just one bolt for the handlebar. I've fully charged it up, ready for the test ride, but before we get into that, let me quickly run through the specs. It comes with dual 1000 watt motors, so 2000 watts in total, and you're definitely going to feel that once you hit the throttle. It's powered by a 60 volt 18 ampere hour battery, giving you a claimed range of around 70 to 85 kilometers depending on how you ride. A dual swing arm suspension with rubber shock absorbers, so it's designed more for durability and stability rather than super soft travel. The scooter comes with hydraulic brakes, which is great for braking feel and control, but interestingly, Joyor went with 120mm discs, which are on the smaller side for a scooter that can hit these speeds. So while braking is solid, there's definitely room for improvement in overall stopping power. Top speed is limited out of the box, but once unlocked, it can reach around 65 km per hour, which is serious performance for a scooter in this class. To unlock it, just hold the M button, go to P09, and set the value to 0. That's it. Just to get a feel for acceleration and stability at speed, and straight away you notice it pulls hard. Dual motors kick in instantly, no delay, just clean acceleration. It feels responsive, aggressive, and every throttle input gives you that immediate push forward. Even when you stop on a hill, you don't need to worry at all because you've got the power to pull you straight back out. In this clip, I actually came to a full stop on an incline just to show you what it's capable of and how easily it handles uphill starts without struggling or rolling back. Here you can get an idea of how quickly the speed kicks in. It's honestly impressive how fast it builds up momentum, reaching higher speeds in just a few seconds while still staying stable and controlled throughout. And even on slight uphill sections, the performance is still impressive. I'm literally hitting over 50 km per hour and it's still staying stable. No wobbling, no sketchy movement, just solid, controlled speed. What's also interesting is I don't even have to constantly stay on the throttle. I'm letting it go, holding it, reapplying it depending on the road, and it just stays smooth through all of it. On slight downhill or flat sections, it naturally holds speed really well, which makes the ride feel more efficient and controlled. It doesn't feel like it's draining power unnecessarily. You can just cruise with traffic, ease off when needed, and then jump back on it when you want. And if you're concerned about wobbles or stability, I haven't experienced any during this test at all. The control has actually been really solid. To show you that, I even took one hand off the bars at speed, just to demonstrate how stable it feels. And you can easily keep the scooter under control. Even at speed, it feels predictable small inputs, and it reacts exactly how you expect. Now, for off-road, this scooter is really impressive at higher speeds. It's got a lot of power, and it actually gives you that urge to keep hitting the acceleration, even on loose gravel and uneven ground. It just keeps pulling forward without feeling like it's running out of control. You feel the power, but it doesn't turn into chaos. It stays surprisingly composed. And that's the interesting part, is because instead of making you back off, it kind of encourages you to push a bit more. You find yourself opening the throttle more than you planned, just because it feels capable enough to handle it. Through rough sections, small bumps and dirt paths, it keeps its momentum really well. It doesn't feel like it's losing energy or struggling for grip, it just keeps moving cleanly through everything in front of it. And even on grass sections, it still holds up surprisingly well. Realistically, this scooter is really powerful, and you can feel that 60 volt system working in the background the whole time, keeping that pull consistent even when the terrain gets rough. So I also wanted to check battery efficiency, because I was a bit concerned about the 18 ampere hour capacity. I still kept the ride going to get a proper idea of real world usage. Just keep in mind I've been riding in dual motor, highest mode, with a lot of hard acceleration, so this isn't relaxed cruising, it's been proper performance riding the whole time, and honestly I feel like a slightly higher R battery would have made this an absolute beast. But even like this, for the value and price, it's actually really impressive. To end the ride, I had more riding left, but I only managed to record about 56 minutes. The display was showing around 60% battery left, and just to mention, once you turn the scooter off, it resets. So overall, it's a great scooter if you're thinking about buying one. The performance is solid, and the build quality is genuinely good. Don't be too concerned by some of the comments you see online. Based on my experience, it performs really well. I also have a discount code with Joyor, and I'll link everything in the description. I'd really appreciate if you use it. It helps the channel and saves you some money at the same time. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.